What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all guys are having an amazing day. Today is 2nd of May 2018 and the time right now is 6 o'clock. From many days I was saying that from the first week of May I'll be traveling to an international destination and the day is today. So we have a 1 week trip, means 7 days trip to Malaysia and Singapore. So 3 days in Malaysia and 3 days in Singapore and 1 day to come back. So today I'll be traveling to Malaysia and the flight is at 11 o'clock at night, not in the morning. So time right now, as I said, 6 o'clock in the morning. So not from Mangalore. We are not catching the flight from Mangalore. We are basically catching the flight from International Airport Cochin. So now we have a train to catch to go to Cochin International Airport because it's too far, right? So we decided to catch a train because it is the most cheapest means of transport. Bus means it will take delayed, so we decided to catch a train. So we have a train at 7 o'clock. The time right now, as I said, 6. So we have called for a taxi. As soon as the taxi comes, we'll be hopping the taxi and going to rail station. And guys, in this trip I'll be carrying my whole luggage and camera, charger, everything in this bag, wildcraft bag. It is basically wildcraft, as you can see W over there. So it is a wildcraft bag, orange, and it is the most lightweight bag. If you want to buy this bag, I'll leave a link below in the description. Do check it. Basically in this bag I'll be carrying obviously my clothes, my camera over here, and my chargers, my specs, as you can see, and camera charger and some SD cards, as you can see, and a power bank which I gave it to my mom. I think she'll be returning to me after some times, so let's see. Guys, we just called the taxi and they said they are under our building, so let's go. Can see we are in the taxi and I'm sitting with my uncle, auntie and my grandfather. Say hi. Say hi. Aja hi. Auntie. Hi. Hi Naman. Hi. Hi. Okay, and my rest of the family members are sitting in the other car which is behind us, right in that Innova. Started, and sorry for the background noise. So I'll introduce to all of my family members right now.
I am Jagdish, father of DJ, and we are heading towards Alva.
Cochin. Next.
I'm leader of this team.
And
Vidya.
name?
Vidya.
Mom of
Mom of
Mother of DJ.
and here is my grandmother.
Say hi.
Hi. Here is my auntie.
Hi.
And little boy over here, Naman.
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 Say hi.
He's too sad. Here is my grandfather. Say hi. Here is the grandmothers. Say hi. And here is my uncle. Grandfather. Totally forgot to introduce to my sister. So here she is. Done here.
Pratiksha.
Tell your classmates are seeing this. Guys, the time right now is 3:30 and we were supposed to reach to Cochin at 3:30, but the time right now is 3:30. So because we are delayed 1 hour because the train stopped in nowhere between the jungle. So because due to that 1 hour we had delayed 1 hour, so we will reach nearly 4 or 4:30 like that, at the time right now is 3:30. So as you can see, everybody are sitting over here and we are just had our lunch and we are just taking out a small nap. So we all are waiting for to reach Cochin as soon as possible because we have a flight to catch at 11:30. So I think it will take few hours to get to immigration, to finish all immigration. Guys, sorry for the background and we just made it to Cochin. I thought we'll reach Cochin by 4:30 or 4 o'clock, but the time right now is 5 and we just came out of the railway station and then we directly headed towards the airport. Guys, we just made to the airport and we checked the weight of each and every single bag and it turned out to be inside 7 kg so that we could take in the cabin. So right now we are resting out here and after sometimes in 6 o'clock we'll be going to have some dinner. Yes guys, we are having dinner at 6 o'clock because our check-in time is at 7 and we can't have anything inside the airport. So right now let's go and have some dinner. Start like that? Right. Guys, as you can see, I am all fresh now. Means we all are fresh enough. So right now we are heading to have some dinner. Means some small light dinner, not heavy dinner, guys. So right now we are heading to food court in International Airport, Cochin. So let's go and have some dinner. Guys, we just finished our dinner in this hotel as you can see. So right now you guys may think why I'm going all alone because my mother is sitting in the departure chairs, means where people used to sit. So in order to look our bags, means we can't take our bags till here now. So my mother said that she will look after the bags. So she had not done her dinner. So right now I'm taking her curd rice parcel. Guys, it's finally time to go in. So I'll meet you guys when I finish every procedure of getting into boarding gate. I went to get our tickets. They said that come at 8:30 and we simply came in at 7:30. So we and my grandfather decided to explore this airport by inside. So let's see what and all are there. I am seeing something amazing things. Guys, that's what I am talking about. These huge models. I think they are real. They look like real, but I don't think they are real. They and all are just visitors, but we are travelers. They are just visitors. Huh? Real jana kuntidarde. Real jana idu. Real high and matad sir. Guys, I think you have liked that pictures which I took. So if you wanna see more of my pictures, means follow me on Instagram because I will be every day on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. If you don't know the name, as you can see flashing on the screen, DJ_creators. Do follow me on the Instagram. And if you like this, elephant models, do like this video and comment down below and do subscribe to my channel because I provide this type of quality content video each and every single day, and that's a fact. So the time right now is 8 o'clock. I will show you. Some people are saying that I will not show. I will say the fake time. So as you can see, it is 8. Not is it is 20:08 means 8:08. So I think in 15-20 minutes we will be going to get our tickets and we will be heading to immigration center. And that's it. So I'll meet you guys when I get to boarding gate. Yep. Guys, we finally got our boarding passes as you can see. So right now we are heading to immigration and then we will go to gate number 5. So guys, I am literally the first one to board the flight. Means there is no one in front of me. Means everyone are behind me obviously. I'll be boarding the emptiest flight. Means it will be empty when I will be boarding. So my all family members are behind over in there. So they are coming behind me and I am the first one to board the flight. Guys, as you can see, I finally made into the plane and my all family members are sitting over here and over here. That was too late, I think so. And the best part of this plane is the AC is fogging up the plane. And this is the best plane I have ever traveled. Say hi. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. And I will see you after a nice flight. That's what I'm talking about. The fog in the plane. Right over there, as you can see. Guys, we finally made it into Malaysia. I will meet you guys when we complete every single procedures. Guys, we have finished with all the procedures of getting out and we are finally getting out of the Malaysia airport. As you can see, welcome to Malaysia. So let's go out and hop into the taxi. Let's go to our hotel. Guys, hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button, comment down below, and do subscribe to the channel before going and do that bell icon. So that's it for the day. Today was whole day traveling. Tomorrow's vlog gonna be epic because today we are gonna visit too many things. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Yalla, bye, peace, bye.